Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about the word meaning with the suffix that is ICS, that is concerning to the science of. Let us see what we have in it. Acoustics. As you can see, acoustics, last we have ICS. So it means the science of concerning to the study of sound is known as, that is acoustics. Aerodynamics, that is the science of the dynamics of gases and flow of air or gas, that is known as aerodynamics. And the navigation through air or space is known as aeronautics, that is the science which deals with that. And the productivity of land concerning science is known as agronomics. And the pressure and pain concerning, as you can see to the right of this figure, how exactly the picture depicts concerning to the pleasure and pain, that is algidonics. That science is known as algidonics. And the anatomy is the structure of human body study. As you can see, the science of electronic devices for aircraft concerning study is known as avionics. Avio means aircraft. Though that science and electronic devices is avionics is a subject, that is a science. Documents to determine authenticity, that is known as bibliotics. So whatever the documents are required for the determination of authenticity is known as bibliotics. Next we have the study concerning the biological measurement is known as biometrics, and the study concerning to the organisms interacting in their environment is known as bionomics, and the study concerning to the racial degeneration is known as cacogenics. So what exactly the cacogenics is? The racial degeneration is known as cacogenics. The deciphering ancient writings and texts are known as diplomatics. So that is diplomatics is whatever the ancient writings and texts decipher procedure, that science is known as diplomatics. Deciphering ancient writings and texts known as dysgenics. So please remember them. So whatever you are here, diplomatics is, please go through whatever the internet. Diplomatics is concerning to the diplomatic study. So in this there is something correction in it. So whatever the diplomatics, you please go through internet. So here dysgenics means deciphering ancient writings and texts. Material wealth is, that is economic concerning, that is the subject of material wealth. Human settlement concerning whatever the subject, that is acoustics. As you can see to the right how exactly the human settlement deals with the subject. Next, the people at work, that is ergonomics. As I told already, ergonomy is the study and their work culture of the people. So here that is ergonomics is the study of people at work. Next we have improving living conditions is known as euthenics, and the improving of agricultural study, that is geophonic. Geophonic means that is agricultural study is concerning. Systems of representing speech in writing is known as graphemics. So whatever the systems of representing speech in writing is known as graphemics, and the fishing concerning study is known as halieutics. The part of ethics dealing with the pleasure is known as hedonics. So whatever the part of ethics which deals with the pleasure. The diseases of horses, whatever the diseases, that study is known as hippiatrics. Hippo means horse. So that diseases of horse is known as hippiatrics. The movement in liquids, that is hydrodynamics is the subject which concerning to the movement in liquid. Next we have the study and the motion of the whatever the motion of the objects, that is kinematics. As you can see directly to the right side how exactly hedonics means, that is part of ethics dealing with the pleasure. Next we have the communication of gestual communication, whatever we do with the gestures, that is kinesics. The forces producing or changing motion is known as kinetics. And the language that deals with the science, the study of the languages, that is linguistics. The study concerning to the magnitude, number and forms is known as mathematics. So in this you will have the magnitude, number and forms in it. Next we have the action of force on bodies concerning subject is known as mechanics. Mechanics is the action of force on bodies. The principles of nature and thought, that science is known as metaphysics. The art of navigation study is known as nautics. The art of, that is the science concerning to the study of coins, numismatics. Whoever collect the coins, they are known as numismatist. So remember this, numismatism means coins concerning subject. Here light concerning, whatever the light concerning we have, that is optics. As you can see, gestural communication, how exactly it can be done through the pictures, whatever has been given. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers for various examinations. That will be useful for you. As you can see how exactly the playlist has been segregated for the feasibility of the students. Next we have the study concerning to the teaching of the study, that is the science of the teaching is known as pedagogics, that is andragogy and pedagogy. Whatever the children education is known as pedagogy, andragogy means adult education. Here that teaching study is known as pedagogics. The properties of matter and energy is known as physics. Mechanics of gases, whatever the mechanics is known as, that study pneumatics. The study of meanings is known as semantics. And the trees of life, that is, as you can see, Silvics. Please remember, Silvics is the trees life study. The study of bodies and forces in equilibrium is known as statistics. It's not statistics. Statistics again, it's a calculation of numerals and economy. So here we have the studies of bodies and forces in equilibrium, that is statics. Static means constant. So that study of bodies and forces in equilibrium. Next we have veterinary medicine. Whatever the medicine dealing with the veterinary, that study is known as, that science of veterinary medicine is, that is theriatrics. The science of relation of heat to motion is known as thermodynamics. Therm means heat. So here whatever the movement related to heat, from heat to motion, is known as thermodynamics. Next we have the tonetics, that is the study of pronunciation, tone, how the way you pronounce, that study is known as tonetics. The glassy material and glassware study is, or science is known as vitrics. And next we have the science of veterinary surgery is known as zolatrics, that is the science of veterinary surgery, that is known as zolatrics. And animal communication, whatever happens between one person to an animal, that is animal communication among themselves, so that is zoosmotics. Zoosmiotics, please remember, zoo means that is animal, zoosemiotics is the animal communication between animal to animal or animal to man. So this is one type of science which deals with the zoosmiotics, which is the animal communication. Thank you guys. You can call me for 2100 PDF of GK and GS on this mobile number 7667302252. That is a free of cost for the competitive examinations. They are very useful for you. It has got 12 pages. You can take the good printout of it. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.